Day 3 ng break time ng mga bata. So, mabilang lang kung kasi kaon. 1, 2, 3 sa grade 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 students na adere. It's Friday. Less students, pero 11 students ang fasting. Wow, I love your food. Good, cucumber only. And nuggets. Triangle nuggets. Triangle? Muntoy lang mga pagkaon. Wala na. Tagabantay na naman ang mga batang pasaway. Wow! I love your food. Pero yun nga lang, ibang part, matalino, ibang part, talagang bubong-bobo. With egg, yeah.
Mabait man yan. Mabait siya.
You see,
Ha?
she doesn't want her food.
Egg.
Should I call?
Doesn't like egg? Doesn't like egg? What you want?
Tell her. What is my name? What's my name?
What's her name?
What's my
What's the
name?
name of your miss?
Go. Go. What's my name, Daniel?
Please.
What?
Miss.
What?
What's her
Huh?
name?
Here, then
Huh?
What's my name? Say it.
Start from M.
Miss.
Ooh, very good. You like it? You're hungry?
Malino man to.
Huh? You don't like egg? Nice. This is good.
And he's also enjoying his session.
Ayaw niya. Pag ayaw niya talaga na.
What you want? What you want to eat?
Likes
Ha? What you want to eat?
apple.
Gusto ko talaga ganitong buhok na hawak-hawakan.
Oh, maganda no?
Oh, maganda siya. Nice. Ah, apple. Yeah. Ito yung apple.
You eat this one and get this one.
Dang!
Eat this one first.
No egg.
Eat this one first and I give you apples. Okay?
Good boy, Daniel. Eat.
Okay, eat then I'll give you apples.
He likes apple only.
Yeah.
How are you? You like only Indomie?
Yesterday pasta to the Indomie.
Ah, pasta.
Not healthy.
And how about this?
No
Atin.
This is healthy.
Okay?
Atin, what is your food?
I think what's in your lunchbox?
What food you have?
Pasta and Indomie.
Chapati and? The fruits. What you have fruits? Carrots and?
This is
What's this one?
Another one. What is that?
biscuit.
Biscuit? And then the other one? Apple. Very good. Oh, Hatim knows the food.
You
Oh.
want eggs?
Yeah, like apple na, apple.
Chapati.
Oh, ito.
What is this, Maya?
Ano, this kasi
Eat.
dito naliligo.
Maya, what is this? Daniel, come.
Eating healthy. Why you not eating today? Because of half day?
I'm not hungry, that's
Not
why.
hungry.
I have food in my bag, but I'm not hungry.
Masakit sa ilong? Masakit sa ilong? Alam mo yung Liana, yung sibuyas na dubok? Yung matagal lang hindi nagamit. Yan yun, no? Ginawa yun. Yung mga bata namin dito may mga sayan. Hindi na sa may sayan, no? Pero may trililing. hindi sa may sayan, pero may trililing. May mga shadow teacher. Ang shadow teacher, itim. Mabaho na kilikili na sibuyas. Ang mabaho ng itim.
Pero kung kinaway mo, mas
Mas matapang yan sila. Grabe bunga nga niyan.
Pero mabait sila.
Pero kung okay ka naman makisama sa kanila, mabait din talaga sila. Why eating only chips?
Anong lasa? Wala yata lasa.
Wala man yung lasa. Hindi man yan hindi yan maalat. Chips. Tapos, this Laknor na strawberry.
Pinaglalaban pa niya yung yun.
Ano yan? Yung dinidip sa yung avocado, ano yan? Guacamole. Kasi wala man yung lasa, walang asin.
Make this as the canteen.
Ang laki na nito no dati. Ang
Maliit, sobrang liit.
pakaway-kaway.
Oo.
Before, my
Maro-
very sure
This is Marwan? Mansur, where's Marwan?
He's fasting.
Marwan, Mansur, where's Marwan? Fasting? Why you not fasting? Why you not fasting? English ko mayroon. Ha? Si Marwa. Why you're not fasting, Mansur? Feel hungry? You cannot? You cannot stay long?
Yesterday I was fasting. I stayed on the ground. I sleeping for
Which ground? The home?
Kulit man yan.
Maganda sana buhok mo, kaya lang.
after I drink water. I said,
You cannot breathe? Why you cannot breathe? You should...
when I was five, my mom said close the door. I closed it, I tasted it, and my nose bleeding.
Uh-huh.
My nose bleeding.
Why?
But I closed the door slammed.
Where? In your head?
And all behind me was all red.
There's blood also? But it's your fault na?
Ba't ang daming pasabog ngayon? Meron ng line leader, meron ng... Pati sa inyo, di ba?
Hindi ko alam sinong line leader sa amin.
Yung grade 3 daw.
Ha?
Monica.
Sa grade 3 si Monica?
Tuwag line, meron na daw line leader, table monitor, noise.
Dati naman talaga merong ganyan. Di ba yung mga panda, mga ano? Tapos meron na yung kami talaga man. May line leader
Kumbaga
mga
sa
kami.
isang class,
Table.
itong table na to line leader.
Hindi, sa
Isa
isang
lang.
table nito, hindi, sa lahat ng classroom, may line leader.
Okay.
Pero sa isang table, may leader talaga
Mas
na...
meron pa daw ito.
Oo.
Science.
Ganyan yan, sa isang...
Ilan pinrate mo ganito?
Wala, hindi pa ako nag-ano dyan. Hindi pa nagbigay si
Science
Ros.
4 hours.
Ganyan, sa isang grupo, puro sila bobo, may isang leader doon na magaling.
Anong writing? Isang writing lang?
Ay, hindi ko alam.
Ito nang pinrate niya, isang picture. Baka kasama, may writing, may reading.
Zoologist and scientist ang... engineer pala ang law. Akala ko engineer yung high. Engineer at saka architect ang high.
Gagawin ko.
Bakit naging engineer law? High man yung engineer. Sa atin nga, engineer, di ba? Construction law. High. Oo, hindi ba na nila? Janitor sa construction, sa apat yun, law. Ay, nako. What? You're done?
Yeah, I want to work in
Clinic. No, but we need to wait for the others.
stomach pain.
Who else in grade 3? Only 3 of you?
Stomach pain.
Only you?
I
And
have stomach pain. Stomach
yeah, we need to wait. Nobody in here. We need to wait.
pain.
Because he's still eating.
I don't want any problem. Don't touch this one. Eat! Hatim is not eating. Everybody is eating except for Hatim.
How about Daniel? Oh, eating now egg. Very good. Yay. Yeah, more. Very good.
Quiet, eat silently.
Wala mga bata. Oh. Ewan saan. Kantin pero dahil nga Friday, dito sa school usually pag Friday, mga bata hindi na pumapasok. Mga isa, dalawa. Yung pinakamasipag lang talaga. At saka mga bobo. At saka mga yung pasaway sa bahay, yun ang pinapapasok. Pero yung mga mabait, ay talagang kaya ito, oh. Wala. Walk na lang ako dito.
Why they do a video? Why after they do video? Why? What?
Why you want to join my video? You want to join my video? No. Don't join my video. You're not allowed. You're not allowed to join. There's camera. Batang to. Tala napapansin ako nagbibideo. Yun na yun. It's Friday. Naka-t-shirt lang. Kasi hanggang 11:45 lang kami. So makakawin ako ng mga 12:30. Ganon. Mga 1 o'clock maximum makakauwi na ako. And makatulog. Makapaglaba. Makapagluto. Makapag-prepare para sa iftar. Mamaya.